Hey everyone, today in this tutorial video, we will create a super cool minimalistic logo reveal animation in After Effects. So let's get started. I have this composition on the timeline. The composition size is 1920 by 1080 and the frame rate is 30 frames per second. Let's click on Layer, New, and then select Solid. Rename it as Background. You're free to choose your desired color. I'm choosing white. Hit OK, and then OK again. Now we have this background. Now let's import our logo. Double-click in the project panel and import your logo. I'm using the Reddit logo. Drag and drop this logo onto the timeline. Press S for the scale property to open it and scale it down like this. Now select the logo layer and go to its properties. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the timeline. Create keyframes for scale and opacity. Change the scale value to 0% and the opacity value to 0%. Now move the playhead to about half a second forward and set the opacity to 100% and the scale to around 5%. Then move the playhead to about 2 seconds forward and click the keyframe icons for both scale and opacity again to create additional keyframes. Now move the playhead to about 2.5 seconds forward and change the opacity back to 0% and increase the scale to approximately 250%. Now let's preview the animation. It's looking great, let's fine-tune it. Select the keyframes, press F9 for easy ease. Then select the higher keyframes, go to the graph editor, and make sure Edit Speed Graph is selected. Adjust the speed graph to resemble this shape. Next, select the opacity keyframes, go to the graph editor, and adjust the graph to resemble this shape. Now let's preview our animation again. It looks awesome. Now we want the text to appear after the logo animation. Make sure the playhead is at the end of the logo animation. Grab the type tool and type your text. I'm typing reddit.com. Select the text and change its color to black. I'll use the Reddit Sans font for this. Choose the bold variant. Increase the text size to about 100 and center it in the composition, making sure the anchor point is also centered in the text. Now let's animate the text. Make sure the playhead is at the end of the logo animation. With the text layer selected, go to Effects and Presets and search for the Alternating Characters In-Out preset. Apply it to the text layer. With the text layer selected, press U to reveal the keyframes. Select the keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. Let's preview the animation. It's looking great. Let's refine a bit more. Review it again. Yes, it's awesome. Now we'll add an outro for the text as well. Move the playhead to about 6 seconds forward and drag and drop the second effect onto the text layer. Press U to reveal the keyframes. Select both keyframes, press F9 for easy ease, and adjust the timing so it ends around 5.5 seconds. Now preview the animation again. It's super cool. Press U to hide all properties and clean up the timeline. Finally, holding Shift, select both the logo and text layers and enable motion blur to give a smoother, more realistic feel. Let's view the final result. If it's laggy, render for smooth playback. And there you have it, your final animation. That's it for this video. The project file is linked in the description below, so download it if you'd like. Please like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.